What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm practically just doing a vlog. I'm going to British Columbia for LIL2024, and I was just packing up and I just thought, why don't you do a vlog, just documenting the whole experience, documenting packing, trying to get things ready for the trip, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Just curious, guys, does this happen to you where you're packing for a trip and you want to, you try to pack up everything and then you still feel like you're forgetting something but you're not sure exactly what it is? That's what I currently feel like. For some reason, I still feel like there's something that I'm just living out, and living out. Anyways, yeah, I still feel like there's something that I'm missing, and I'm gonna realize that when I get to Vancouver, which I don't want to, obviously. Oh yeah, I just saw one thing. So my laundry bag, it's a good thing I remembered that. But yeah, I'll do a final sweep, try and clear up everything, and I mean, whatever I end up forgetting, and yeah, we'll still make the best of it. So yeah. Alright, so guys, I was just experimenting with trying to curl, use the sponge on my hair. I actually haven't done this by myself before, so I'm just gonna give it a try. I mean, this is one of those things I guess you do when you're packing and you can't remember anything that you're missing. So yeah. And let me know, guys, if I'm doing this right. So I'm kind of just going over a small area and twisting this around and hoping that it's gonna get the job done. It looks like it's coming up a little bit, but I think there's still way to go. So yeah, I'm just gonna continue. I don't know, guys, you guys tell me, does it look like it's coming well together? So I mean, this is not what I'm going to take on the trip. Well, I might, but right now I'm not planning to take this coiled hair, so I'll be taking a shower soon, but we'll see. I might finally just decide to go with this, and okay. But yeah, I think it's kind of coming well now. I can see a little bit of twist at the top. It's not there, as in where I would want it to be, but I can see the difference. So yeah, I think it's coming well good. Again, if you guys do this, let me know down in the comment the right technique to go about doing this, because I don't think you guys spend this long when you're trying to do this in the washroom. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. Anyways, you see, this is how I get distracted. I actually came here to pack my as you can see over here, hairbrush into the ziploc and other stuff, and then I saw this and I got distracted. So I'm just gonna get back to work, guys. Yeah, so packing this up, first of all I need to turn off the face tracking on this. Alright, so I'll pack that, and then I'm also packing my hairbrush. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I think I'll pack this one. Okay, yeah, so I had two hairbrush. This is the other one, but because I have short hair on the side, I think I'll prefer to take this one, because this can also easily brush the side. So I'll take this. The next thing I'll take is my comb. There's a little bit of hair on it, so I'm just gonna wipe that out. And finally, I'll take my mini mirror. Yeah, come on. Oh, I haven't used this in a while, so I think I need to wipe it down. Yeah, there we go. So I think that's all I need to pack for my hairbrush and my hair care stuff. I already have my hair cream in my shower bag. So now that I'm done with that, I will close this. Well, because I'm gonna shower, I haven't packed my face. Oh, one sec. Yeah, I haven't packed my face wash and my shower cream, but I'll be packing that after a shower. Yeah, you guys let me know. Does it look like it worked well? Yes, no? Let me know down in the comments. And oh yeah, I also have to pack my sponge, but I'll do all of that when I'm done showering. Okay, alright, so it looks like I have some, not all, of my toiletries packed up, and so so that I don't forget that, I'm just gonna place it in my shower bag. Sorry, no, not in my shower bag. I'm gonna place it in my luggage, or on top of my luggage, like that. Okay. Alright, so now, oh, anyway, I guess I should show you guys this. But these are all my electronics. So I have my camera bag, my camera case, my Apple Watch from my uncle. I love this very much. My phone, my other Samsung phone. Guys, I'm an Apple fan. I'm sorry, but like I only take this because I accidentally broke the camera on my iPhone, and yeah, it's just nice to have a spare phone, especially when you need your camera. But I mean, the truth of the matter is I end up using what I'm using right now for my camera. So I guess when I need like a quick shot, then I use this. And I also need to charge this up. It doesn't have any battery on it. But yeah, I'm currently charging my iPhone, so I have enough battery for the flight. And then I have my wallet, my key, my gym card, which is going to go in my wallet. I have a couple of bracelets here that I'm planning to put in my bag, and my water bottle, this is gonna go beside my bag, hopefully. And then this bag that I use to keep my body wash and my face wash. I think that should be about it. I don't think I'm gonna be taking anything from the kitchen because hopefully we're gonna get food over there. Oh, I wish I brought some snacks now that I'm thinking about it, but I think it's too late to get snacks now. And then from here, from the washroom, I don't think I'm missing anything. I mean, apart from the stuff I used to shower, which I will be packing up later after showering. Yeah, I think that should be pretty much all I need to pack. So I have the clothes I'm going to be wearing over there. By the way, I'm in my room now, so just taking one final look. I think I have all my tech stuff packed up. Yeah, I think I have everything I need, so I'll just probably rest a little bit, try to eat something, probably also try to get some sleep, and then shower and prepare for the flight. Sorry guys, I'm still distracted because I'm still like trying to like take a look and just make sure that I'm not forgetting anything, because I feel like when you go on flights, and not just flights, when you travel in general, there's a tendency to think you've packed everything, and then you keep on thinking that no, actually there's a tendency to pack stuff and then you find out that you forgot one really crucial and important thing, something that would really have made your stay much more better. And so I'm trying to avoid that by just ensuring that I have everything. See, I almost forgot my cap, guys. I mean, technically I don't think I'm gonna be wearing the cap that much because I got a haircut, but you know, you never know. It could be really sunny in BC, and if it's sunny in BC, then I'll probably have to use my cap. So I'll put that here too. Okay, yeah, I think that's all. And so yeah, I think now it's just resting, trying to get something to eat, doing like a few final passes around the house to make sure I don't forget anything, and yeah, get ready, shower, probably call an Uber by 4, and then get to the airport as soon as possible and start checking. Yeah, so well, I'll see you guys later when I pick the camera back up. Bye for now. Yeah, so we just arrived here and we are waiting for the bus to come take us to University of British Columbia. It was a nice ride. I mean, there were a few things that happened here and there that, yeah, I'll talk to you guys about later. It was quite interesting. Well, yeah, thank God for joining messages. We're here safely, and I mean, I haven't really been outside, so I haven't had the chance to look and see the other places and see how, you know, how nice it looks. Basically, I haven't had the chance to go out into BC, but we should be going out any moment from now, and I'll be taking you guys on that ride, so stay tuned.
First it was fragrant, then it turned to fire. My worship is my weapon. This is how I win my battle.
Alright guys, so we just got here. Honestly, this is a really nice residence. I never stayed in residence before. When I came to Canada, I just went and I was living with my sister. So it's actually nice to see, like, this is a really nice place. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. So I think that I might be on the wrong side of the room, but basically, yeah, there are two. There's provision for, you know, two people. So the bed is over here, right? And then there's a little closet for some of your stuff, and then there's the reading table over here with the chair, and then in between both rooms there is a washroom and a shower, and you have a toilet over there. And then if I open up this door, it takes you into the second room. And so that's kind of what, you know, this whole setup looks like. So it's a really nice, I like the way it looks, you know, it's yeah, it's nice. And then that's outside. just so you can see. So yeah, this will be my place for the next 3 to 4 days. So yeah, we are trying to go find something to eat, and after we get something to eat, we'll probably be back to rest before the first event starts. But yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along as we go find something to eat, and I'll see you guys later.